Yo, what's up guys? Kapasapik Clayton Jr. Josephus again and again and again. And for today, I'm going to play that Super Mario Brothers 1. Yes. So that we played the classic Super Mario. So now since I'm back, so don't forget like, subscribe. So let's go. So now let's go. Let's play. It's being on. You know what? This is kind of easy for me. This stage is so very easy. So doesn't matter. So I don't care. Okay. Now, okay. Hey. Uy, fuck. I can do it. I did it. I did it. Yes. For the first time, I did it. Next stage. Let's go. Clap my hands, everybody. So we go into rap number 3. World number 3, actually. Uh, so that's my goal. There you go. Fuck. No. Fuck hell no. Oh. Okay, let's go. Up. Okay. Okay, go. Okay. Yes. Rap zone number 3. World number 3. Let's go. Fuck the flying birds. Fuck the flying turtles. Fuck the flying turtles. So let's go. No. Why? Okay. Fuck. My God. So I don't know what I do. I don't know what to do. Fuck. What the heaven is that? Fuck. No. Fuck. 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 No. 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 This is it. This is it. Fuck. Fuck. No. 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 No to 1,000 fucking lives. Comment. Fuck. Oh, fuck, man. Fuck. Okay, one left. After this, end of video. Okay, let's go. Okay, that's the video for today. Okay, let's go. Okay. Alright, so I think I post later right now. So that's the video for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Namas. The Kapel Clifton Junior. Bye for now. I'm ass. Fuck.